have with us a beautiful artist, Priya Patel.
I'm an artist. I have done my bachelor's in business administration and MBA as well in marketing. My passion for art, and I have also done a diploma course in fine arts from Mumbai.
What advice or what motivation you can give to people who want to pursue arts full time? What feeds your soul? Creative blocks भी होते होंगे ना आपको. So how do you navigate through them?
Have them quite usually, but I tend to.
But what can be done कि कोई आर्टिस्ट है उसके आर्ट्स एक नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास घर में भी जा पाए तो क्या किया जा सकता है What effect is AI having on artists? Is it detrimental? Is it giving a competition or is it also helping them out in their creative journey?
Every coin has two sides. So क्यों लता मंगेशकर के सॉन्ग्स बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है? Why do you like listening to that लग जा गले?
हाथों की लकीरों से तकदीर का पता नहीं चलता जो कलाकार होते हैं वो अपनी तकदीर खुद लिखते हैं So we are here today for our 5th episode of She Speaks with Soumya. I'm a gynecologist. I wake up in the morning, go to the hospital, start working, see patients, operate, and then I come back home. But उस स्पीच में, उस फीकी सी लाइफ में what we do is जो हमारी OPD होती है उसको हम सुंदर रखते हैं ताकि पेशेंट्स गेट कंफर्टेबल. रास्ते में आते जाते हम लोग म्यूज़िक सुनते हैं ताकि हम रिलैक्स कर पाएँ. सो हाउ इज़ ऑल दैट पॉसिबल? बिकॉज देर आर आर्टिस्ट्स all around us in the world, in our lives, in everything we see, do, touch. So that is why having an artist in our life is also very, very important. So we have with us a beautiful artist, very dynamic, young, pretty, and very hardworking also, Priya Patel.
Thank you. That was a lovely intro. Thank you so much.
So welcome. It's very special for us because this is our 5th episode. I want you to tell us something about yourself, Priya.
I'm an artist. I have done my bachelor's in business administration and MBA as well in marketing, but I made sure to pursue my passion for art, and I have also done a diploma course in fine arts from Mumbai. I have been in this journey since past 5 years, and since the beginning, since my school time, I was very much interested in painting, drawing, and artistic fields. And my parents, especially my mom, encouraged me a lot. She always told me to paint more, and she always encouraged basically. So that's why I started painting. And then though Vapi is a very small town, Daman is a very small town, I never expected to get so much work here. When I started, I thought maybe Vapi is not a good place to start an artistic career. I thought that. It was back in 2019, and then COVID came. I shifted to Mumbai, and then I came to Vapi again because of COVID, and I started working here. I did some 10 wall painting projects in the first year, then a few more in next year. But in 2025, I am done with 200 plus wall paintings and 500 plus canvas painting. Yes. So I did not know that Vapi has such big scope. So I have done a lot of painting projects. I have taught mota around 1,000 kids, chote bacche, in art parties, in workshops, in anything and everything. I have regular classes as well. So I have impacted these many kids artistically. So I did not know Vapi has this much scope, but it has, and I am thriving. And I'm very grateful to this place and everything which I am showered with.
That's amazing. So what was the first thing that you made which made you want to pursue arts as a career?
Honestly, when I was young, I was very much fascinated by Disney princesses.
Okay.
So the first actual drawing which I made was of 6 Disney princesses, Cinderella, Snow White, and everything. And that was pretty good. So my mom said, I was, I think 7 or 8, and I made figurative drawings. So I was like, oh wow, you do good job. You should pursue this. Then I did regular art classes and stuff. That's how it started. Disney princesses, basically. My first artwork.
सबको princesses बहुत पसंद ही होती है as a child.
Girls, yes.
So we have heard of a lot of artists like Raja Ravi Verma,
Yes.
one of the most famous ones in India. वो ऐसे oil paintings करते थे of women, द्रौपदी और दमयंती ऐसे सब. Then M.F. Hussain, the Picasso of India. Then every person, every painter has had their own particular niche, their own style. So my best friend, childhood friend, she is an artist. She did her law. She became an advocate, and then now she has shifted back to art. She opened her own studio, and now she's full time into it. And she has started with this 3D painting thing.
Okay.
So everybody has their own style. So what is your style? What do you like to paint?
I would like to tell you a story. When I started, I was very much focused on showing all my technical skills. Pick up the most detailed artwork and make as many figures as I could, make beautiful eyes, figures. I was very much into showcasing my technical skills.
You have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you so much. Then as I progressed, I noticed my true love and my true passion is in painting naturistic things, flowing things. So tropical is my region, abstract is my region. I truly enjoy that.
Okay.
So now I enjoy tropical and floral and abstract.
Okay.
And then I'm still a work in progress. I'm very young in this career. There's a long way to go. We'll see what happens in coming years.
So from sketches you progressed to abstracts and
yeah. Free-flowing artworks.
okay, that's great. So you might even change that style in the
In coming 5 years,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah, I'm work in progress.
हाँ, art is ever evolving.
Yes.
तो नई चीजें जो भी होती हैं that also you must be
हाँ,
inculcating.
Yeah.
Every artist, they have a creative process. If I am writing something, okay, so I like to write sometimes. So first I think about it, then I think of all the things that can correlate, that I can correlate with that situation that I'm going through. And then I put my experiences into words. So you might also be going through some process,
Creative.
right? Creative process. So I want to know of such an example, जहाँ पर concept से reality तक where you took a project.
Journey.
Yeah.
Okay. So I basically, honestly speaking, I do not have time to create the art which I like to create. So personally, मैंने खुद के लिए बहुत कम artworks बनाए हैं. I generally work on commission based and order based work. So I'll walk you through that journey. So first we have a site visit and clientele meeting. So I go to their site. It might be a hospital, an office, a house, anything. And I discuss that what are their expectation from their wall and what do they want. And I take the dimensions, the measurements of the wall. I come back and I digitally make illustrations.
Okay.
Like this is how it is going to look in your wall. And I'll give them at least 5 to 6 examples. ये tropical हो गया, ये figurative हो गया, ये abstract हो गया, ये canvas painting हो गया, ये wall painting हो गया, ये line art हो गया, ये geometrical हो गया, आपको जो पसंद है. Even with color, some people want pastels, some people want vibrant colors. So I give options. सबके लिए मैं options देती हूँ उन लोगों को. And then they select the one which they like the most. And if they give changes, I do the changes in my iPad. So मतलब मैं पहले digitally I give them कि यही बनेगा. Then please don't give me changes once I have started working. जो भी है आप मेरे को पहले इसमें बोल दो. Because then I'm prepared now what I have to do. Because drawing on an A3 page or A4 page is simpler. When you have to magnify that into a 20 feet wall, it becomes difficult. So please give me changes in this A4 size paper. इसमें मैं changes आपको दे दूँगी, then you be satisfied. Only then I'll put my brush on your wall. So then we talk about quotations and stuff. And then finally as I start working on the wall, and still if a client have any changes or any minor changes, not major ones, any minor changes, or if I'm not satisfied with my work, we do the changes along the way. And then we keep doing them until we are satisfied with the final piece.
तो ऐसा भी होता होगा ना कि you started thinking on one line and then you think कि ये it can look better like this.
This happens.
That I have seen you in exhibitions. I have seen you at wedding. You were there at one. Then there was this cap painting thing.
Yeah.
Then you have made wall painting at our own hospital also. You are care with.
Yeah.
और बहुत सारे you have made paintings for houses और ऐसे सब. But which of these? So you have to feed the mouth also when you're following a passion. So what feeds your soul?
What feeds my soul? Oh my God, that is a very good question. Digital.
Okay.
That is also because I'll give you very technical answers because I do not have to clean up the mess. So digital. I recently made a series of female portraits just for myself because I wanted to learn how to make portraits on Canva, on iPad. So I learned that and it was enjoyable. It was good. But what truly gives me satisfaction, I'll again go to my clients. I'm so sorry, I'm very money-minded person.
That's okay.
What really gives me satisfaction is when someone validates my art
Okay.
or the sprinkle or the spark in bachcha's eyes. Because when they come and if they see a unicorn, if I'm going to paint a unicorn on their hands and they'll be like, oh my God, unicorn. Or we are going to do caps, oh globe making. These sparkling their eyes, we are going to learn something new and that really motivates me.
Okay.
That is very
And
satisfying.
how do you decide कि अब मुझे बच्चों को ये सिखाना है, अब मुझे
That is truly very challenging because they get bored.
yeah.
They get bored very easily, but I keep a healthy balance between drawing and creative activities. Drawing is monotonous. Even I get bored. If I am working on a painting for a week, 8th day that painting is getting over or I'm going to take a long break. I cannot do it. So I understand that at that young age, drawing and coloring, painting gets monotonous. So I keep on introducing new activities. Recently, we did mosaic art, we did Lipan art. So I keep on researching myself. I keep on learning and then providing them with new teachings.
Okay. So your true calling might be into teaching kids,
Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe.
not just making paintings.
Yeah, both the things.
So being an
A healthy
artist
balance.
does not necessarily mean that you have to paint a wall. It can also mean that you are
Yeah.
finding creative ways of teaching children. That is also a very
Yeah.
artistic and difficult.
And when I started now, people told me that you will have to join a school or a college for a teaching course. And I'm sorry, but I did not want to go in that field. I did not want to give. I'm not built for a 9 to 5 job. I cannot work in constraints. I cannot take orders. I'm a very stubborn person. So then I was like, chalo, I can teach them as occasionally art workshops, art this. I did not know that art workshops will have such a great market in Vapi. And parents these days are they teach me. They tell now you can I started doing art parties because a parent wanted an art her daughter was very much into art, so she told me that Priya, please will do a canvas painting workshop in birthday party. And I did not even know of that concept, that okay, we can do art parties in birthdays. She told me, and after that I have done almost 70 plus art parties in last 2 years. Imagine. So the demand is a lot, so client teaches you sometimes.
So because you went to business school,
Yeah.
it's a huge advantage to you also.
So 100%.
So when I was little, I wanted to become a singer.
Okay.
ठीक है, प्रोफेशनल सिंगर बनना था मुझे, ऐसे श्रेया घोषाल जैसे, सुनिधि चौहान जैसे. उस टाइम पर इंडियन आइडल बहुत चल रहा था, सारेगामापा, लिटिल चैम्प्स चल रहा था, एंड आई वाज अ चाइल्ड. सो एवरीबडी मोटिवेटेड मी. मेरी टीचर्स मुझे ऐसा भी बोलती थी कि तू बस घर वालों से परमिशन ले आ, मैं तुझे ले जाऊंगी, मैं सब देख लूंगी, स्कूल के एग्जाम्स का आई विल मैनेज. बट माई पेरेंट्स डिड नॉट परमिट. मेरे पापा को था, ही हैड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस कि पहले तुम कुछ बन जाओ, फिर तुम तुम्हारा सिंगिंग कर लेना. तो मैं डॉक्टर तो बन गई. उनको डॉक्टर ही बनाना था. तो मैं डॉक्टर तो बन गई, बट फिर मेरा सिंगिंग साइड में रह गया. So a parent's support in following your own passion is very important. And you already said कि आपकी मम्मी ने आपको बहुत support किया. बट उन्होंने तो मोटिवेट किया होगा. उन्होंने कभी ऐसा सोचा था दैट यू विल टेक इट अप एज अ करियर? डिड यू फेस एनी बैकलैशेस और एनी क्वेश्चंस कि तुम कैसे खुद को सस्टेन करोगी अगर इफ़ यू आर जस्ट डूइंग दैट? पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग समथिंग तो उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका भी होता है और उतने शायद आपको गेन्स ना मिले.
True.
सो व्हाट डिड यू गो थ्रू?
So to answer the first part of your question, all of my cousins, extended cousins, fourth cousin, third cousin, everyone is an engineer. Boys are engineers, and girls are in medical fields. Some are
Okay.
in nurse, some are in pharmaceutical. No one has even taken commerce. for that
Okay.
fact. I am not only doing a commerce, I have done my degree in commerce, but I am doing arts.
Yeah.
So that was a big thing. But having said that, my mom always knew her passion is in art and she won't be able to do a 9 to 5.
Okay.
So, and you know what? She is my inspiration. She has, my mom is a single parent and it's been 20 years since she has raised me and my elder sister. And I have seen her winning the bread and making the bread as well. मतलब घर का काम भी करना है इक्वली एंड बाहर जाके कमा के
कमाना
खाना बच्चों के एंड नेवर हैव आई डोंट नॉट हैव वन माय मॉम हैजंट मिस्ड वन पीटीए मीटिंग एंड देयर वाज अ टाइम माय सिस्टर वाज इन 12th एंड आई वाज इन 10th. सो हमारे जो ओपन हाउस होते थे वो अलग टाइमिंग्स होते थे, अलग दिन होते थे. मॉम हैड टू कम टू देयर एंड नॉट शी हैजंट मिस्ड वन, इमेजिन. एंड वी यूज्ड टू कम at 1:30 and she used to be there to feed us and then she used to leave for office. So I have seen that I've seen her juggling two things and so professionally and so nicely that inspired me a lot. And having said that, my mom has a family business which was set up by my father, and unfortunately then my father passed away in a road accident in 2003.
Okay.
I was 4, my sister was 6. Since then, my mom is taking care of that business and us as well. So I started because अब मम्मी भी तो अभी उनकी भी तो उम्र हो रही है and even she is thinking about her retirement and stuff. So I joined her business as well. So I help her in that business. So to answer the second part of your question, I have stable income from there as well.
Okay.
And then I did not know at that time that art is going to flourish that much and art is going to give me this much. So till date, if like today I had an art party in Awadh, today I did not go to office. My mom has never questioned, never said कि नहीं आज इसका काम करो, आज मत जाओ, ऐसा कभी नहीं. She always says कि नहीं भाई तेरा काम पहले कर ले, मैं आज जल्दी चली जाऊंगी. ऐसा कुछ होगा तो if there is something more important, I'll go. So we have a family business which my mom has been taking care of, and I now help her in that, and I do pursue art as well. So I have juggled these two things inspired by her.
That's really great. I did not know any of it.
Yeah.
So, what advice or what motivation you can give to people who want to pursue arts full time?
Full time. I would like to first I would like to ask them their why. Why do they want to pursue art?
क्यों करना
What
चाहते हैं?
is your purpose? हाँ. Once you are correlated to your purpose, then it's easier for you to navigate further. So if they want to, I am telling you, there are so many opportunities. Even weddings, I did not know कि wedding में कोई artist का काम होगा. Imagine, is that even 2 years back before COVID? Do you think it was possible? But it is. In Awadh and Mira Solo, यहाँ पे जितने भी weddings होती है, there is an artist, there is an art DIY corner. We do fans. Today I did mosaic art. Then tattoo. Everything is there. So once you step into it and you think I want to pursue this, but simultaneously you should also have a stable income. That is also very important. So juggle between the two until you are sure that this is going to provide for me full time. Then you can come. And people show you the way.
That's the practical way to approach.
Yes, 100%.
which is very good.
Yeah.
मतलब बहुत ऐसे भी होते हैं ना लोग कि दे लीव अ जॉब कि चलो मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ ये. आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ पीपल कि वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू परस्यू देयर पैशन, तो वो काम छोड़ देते हैं एंड देन दे गो वे अहेड कि मुझे इसमें जाना है. दे स्ट्रगल ऑल्सो.
100%.
बट आई पर्सनली अग्री विद यू कि आपके पास एक स्टेबल होना चाहिए
and then
Then
and you
you
can always be a teacher. I have
Yes.
my one like 9 to 1. I have my part time in my own business. But rather than that, you can give your mornings to a school teaching there. You'll have a जो भी वो 25-30
आएगा वो बहुत
stable
होता
then
है
you can
हाँ
pursue your art now.
हाँ दैट्स आई अग्री विद इट कम्प्लीटली हाँ
And it'll be related to both of them.
Yes.
You'll be satisfied.
तो क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक्स भी होते होंगे ना हमको सो हाउ डू यू नेविगेट थ्रू देम
I would be lying if I say that I do not have creative blocks. I have them quite usually, but I tend to travel. Travel is my escape. The newness inspires me. The new people, new city, new atmosphere, new wind, the newness inspires, and then I come back with fresh mindset, fresh and new perspective to work further. So I think creative block, I personally think to leave it for a few while if you can, if it is not a clientele base, you can leave it for couple of days, go travel, दमन ही चले जाओ, कहीं चले जाओ, come back and you'll have a fresh energy to, you know.
आर्टिस्ट का तो क्या मतलब मेरा जो स्टीरियोटिपिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो ऐसा है कि उनके लिए तो द वर्ल्ड इज अ कैनवास ना कि आप देखो इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट अ रोड साइड में ट्रीज हैं उस पे गाड़ियां चल रही हैं यू कैन ऑल्सो पेंट दैट इफ यू आर गुड एट इट आई सक एट इट मेरे स्कूल टाइम से मुझे पता है कि मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता ड्राइंग में इवन इन MBBS वी हैव अनाटमी
हाँ.
आ सब्जेक्ट तो उसमें एक ब्रांच होती है हिस्टोलॉजी हिस्टोलॉजी में क्या होता है कि कोई भी टिश्यू है उसमें माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर क्या दिख रहा है ना दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ
Okay.
तो मेरा इतना खराब होता था पहले तो मैंने वो वर्कबुक मेरी एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट कंप्लीट करी थी
Okay.
मेरी टीचर ने मुझे ऐसा बोला कि अगर तू लास्ट मोमेंट नहीं करती ना नहीं लेके आई होती तो मैं तुझसे वापस बनवाती है आई वॉज सो बैड एट इट सो फॉर मी artists are people who have great dexterity great imagination और their eye is perfect मतलब उनको दिख रहा है and they're able to make it
And doctors are saving lives.
अरे
They are not
That's
doing
okay.
anything near that.
that's okay मतलब OT में भी dexterity काम आती है but I cannot paint even if my life is in danger I
And
cannot
someone says, point blank.
हाँ, मैं बस एक यूट्रस बना सकती हूँ वो भी टेढ़ा सा पेशेंट को समझाने के लिए अदर देन दैट आई कैन नॉट पेंट
Call me. I'll help you out.
So jokes aside, we are making a new hospital in Daman.
Okay.
तो उधर तीन बत्ती के पास में धनवानी हॉस्पिटल था सो वी आर मेकिंग वन देयर सो आई विल बी सिटिंग देयर
Okay.
तो अभी वी हैव रेगुलर मीटिंग्स विद द आर्किटेक्ट और हम लोग ऐसे प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हमको कैसा बनाना चाहिए क्या करना चाहिए इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डन अप्रैल में हो जाएगा ओपन तो एक डिस्कशन आया था सो आई टोल्ड यू माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज़ एन आर्टिस्ट तो मैंने मेरी OPD में वापी में उसके बनाए हुए पेंटिंग्स लगाए हैं तो ऐसा डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि अंदर व्हाट पेंटिंग्स एंड व्हाट ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स डू यू वांट टू पुट तो मैंने बोला ना आस्क माय फ्रेंड टू मेक वो बना देगी सब तो बिकॉज शी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड अ न्यू बिजनेस आई वांट टू प्रमोट इट कि मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है बचपन की 30 years नाउ तो उसका तो मेरे को प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा ना तो उन्होंने ऐसा मुझे बोला कि इट विल बी वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव इफ़ वी टेक ऑल वर्क फ्रॉम हर आप आपकी OPD का उससे करवा लो आप किसी एक और जगह का उससे करवा लो बट द होल हॉस्पिटल यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अफोर्ड so and it is true also because no price can be put on the hard work तो मैंने उससे जब मेरे OPD के भी बनवाए थे उसने ऐसा शी टोल्ड मी कि देख ये मेकिंग था ये मार्केट से मेरे को इतने में मिला था और फिर मैंने बना दिया तो तू तेरे हिसाब से दे सो I added more money to it because she worked hard for it. But what can be done कि कोई आर्टिस्ट है उसके आर्ट्स एक नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास घर में भी जा पाए तो क्या किया जा सकता है बिकॉज एवरीवन कैन नॉट अफोर्ड इट
That is true. So, the bigger artists in US and other European countries, what they do is they create a painting, original painting that एक तो it costs a lot. मतलब इंडिया के तो इतने प्राइजेस नहीं होते, उनके तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. देयर इन डॉलर्स एंड यूरोज एंड पाउंड्स. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे गिव अ कैनवास पे वेरी हाई रेजोल्यूशन का प्रिंट,
ओके
that same painting ka, and only they can sell it.
ओके
So then that is 10 times cheaper than what the original art is. So if someone really wants, if someone like you really want to support your friend, and if she's a big artist and you really can't afford her, you can of course, but somebody else, if that person cannot afford her, they can take original prints but from her.
या
Don't उसका पेंटिंग लेके फिर आप खुद प्रिंट करवा के मत करो, then
हाँ.
she's not getting anything.
वही
So take original prints from her.
मैं
That's cheaper.
ये कितना अच्छा आइडिया है. आई
That can-
विल गिव दैट आइडिया टू हर आल्सो कि कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहा तो तू बोल, तू प्रिंट करके देगी ऐसा.
आपका खुद का वो ओरिजिनल आर्टवर्क, एंड यू नो आप सेम नहीं बना सकते.
हाँ.
अब मैंने एक बार एक कृष्णा जी बना दिए. इफ यू वांट मी टू रेप्लिकेट द एग्जैक्ट वन, आई विल नॉट एबल टू सॉरी. 70-80% हो भी जाएगा, बट वो 20% तो डिफरेंस दिखेगा ही. सो माइट एज वेल तुम वो एक बना लो. दिस इज माई ओरिजिनल पीस, ओनली आई हैव क्रिएटेड इट, इवन आई वोंट बी एबल टू रेप्लिकेट. सो उसका ही तुम प्रिंट 10-20 ओरिजिनल प्रिंट्स, और ये इससे ज्यादा होंगी भी नहीं. अब इसको खरीद लो. इट इज गुड.
हाँ. I'll say it again. This is where your business mindset came to work. हाँ. It is a very good answer. I never thought कि ऐसा भी आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि अब वो जैसे आई सेड राजा रवि वर्मा, उसकी एक बहुत फेमस थी वो लेडी विद अ फ्रूट वाली,
हाँ.
है ना. तो वो अपने खरीद थोड़ी पाएंगे ओरिजिनल, इट मस्ट बी विद सम पर्सन. तो वही उसके अभी प्रिंटेड रिप ऑफ्स आते हैं विच ही इज नॉट अलाइव टू सेल.
हाँ. राजा रवि वर्मा के तो बहुत प्रिंट्स आते हैं, बहुत ही आते हैं, बट द कंट्रीब्यूशन व्हिच ही डिड in that time and the way he represented Indian art is very appreciable.
Now
Inspiration.
let's talk about AI.
AI, okay.
तो अभी क्या हो रहा है, what the collectors are doing कि वो AI पर अपनी पसंद का बनवा के पेंटिंग कि हमको ऐसा 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 चाहिए, so make something, they give their specifications और एक मस्त बन के आ जाएगा, and they print it and they put it in their houses. So, what effect is AI having on artists? Is it detrimental? Is it giving a competition, or is it also helping them out in their creative journey? कि वो उससे उनको ideas आ रहे हैं, या वो competition है उनके लिए?
Again, a very good question. AI, see, every coin has two sides, and I'm not a very positive person in general life, but I try to be positive. I'm working on that. This year's resolution is to be optimistic. So yes, it is challenging. Yes, it does scare other artists as well. ये होता है, but again, it is a help. तुम inspiration ले सकते हो. First, मेरे लिए वो है कि you can take inspiration from there. And second, I personally believe जितना ज़्यादा ये AI बढ़ेगा ना, उतना ज़्यादा हैंडमेड प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू और बढ़ेगा.
Okay.
सो क्यों लता मंगेशकर के सॉन्ग्स बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है? वाई डू यू लाइक लिसनिंग टू दैट लग जा गले? क्यों उनका आवाज़ आपको पसंद है? आज ऑटो ट्यून में कोई गा सकता है ना, बट वो ऑटो ट्यून वाला इतना फेमस नहीं होगा, और वो उनका वैल्यू है. वो हैंडमेड मतलब खुद से गाया हुआ, वो सब चीज़ों की वैल्यू और बढ़ेगी. आई थिंक कि जो आर्टिसंस, you just have to keep at it. Challenges will come in any career, in corporate, in what your profession is, doctor, any profession, challenges will come, but you have to keep at it. You have to be there and pursue what you want to. And I really believe that handmade ka value और बढ़ेगा with AI. मतलब you'll be able to say, no, this is hand painted, this is not AI, this is hand painted. I really think that.
That is also true. अभी एग्जीबिशंस की हम बात करते हैं. सो आई हैव हर्ड कि कोई अगर जैसे एग्जीबिशन में somebody is putting a painting and that exhibition is for 3-4 days, say it's for 3 days. तो मैंने ऐसे सुना है कि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा करते हैं कि एग्जीबिशन जब ख़त्म होने वाला होता है वो तब जाते हैं पेंटिंग लेने के लिए, कि अभी तो क्या है, आर्टिस्ट विल बी डेस्परेट, तो वो अगर किसी पेंटिंग को 50,000 में दे रहा है तो वो 25,000 में देगा कि चलो कुछ तो फ़ायदा हो. इज़ दैट ट्रू? Does this happen?
It might happen, but it's up to you. It's a very subjective question and it depends on a person to person. If someone is genuinely desperate and if someone is genuinely in need of that 25,000, that person will sell it. And if you're true to your values, it's not about values, but if you know the worth of your painting, you will sit back and you will wait for another exhibition, another greater customer, another better customer to come along.
Another
But
opportunity.
then it is very subjective. It depends on a person to person. Someone might be in need of that 25k.
But why not? Somebody taking advantage of an
Your-
artist's desperation.
That's wrong.
Yeah.
But happens. Cruel world.
And have you ever faced that the market or the life of a female artist is more difficult? Like females are treated more harshly. Is it the case?
Okay. So this is a very good question again. Every coin has two sides. Every coin has two sides, and people are surprised that you are yourself going to paint this wall? Question mark. मतलब आप सिर्फ देखना है हो ना, और आप आदमियों को लगाओगे ना, आप खुद तो नहीं करने वाले हो ना. It is very surprising for them कि ये खुद चढ़ के करने वाली है 20 feet पे painting. So that happens. But other than that, I don't think so I have faced any such criticism in past 5 years. And I would rather go a little far and say that it's an advantage for me, because people are curious कि अच्छा ये लड़की है, ये कैसा करेगी और क्या करेगी, and they treat respectfully.
And you're young also.
Young, yes. So they want to give me opportunity. Like you said, you want to support your friend by giving her opportunity. Then this Vapi, I love Vapi. People have supported me, and how they want to give me opportunity. And people, अभी ये खुद की मुझसे खुद की तारीफ हो जाएगी, but they like my personality. So they are like, नहीं इससे तो काम कराना ही है. Recently, Dr. Nayak,
Yeah.
dentist. So I recently worked, he lives in Awadh as well. So the first meeting I went in with them, and I sat with them, I showed my work and I gave my vision to them कि मुझे ये करना है, आपका हम इस तरीके से inculcate करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. And we were able to finish that project in last, it took 3 months of time to finalize, and उनका घर भी ready नहीं था, तो सब करने में canvas painting था, we finished. It was a good painting. The last thing Dr. Neelam told me was कि first meeting में ही हमने decide कर लिया था कि हम अगर हम painting करवाएंगे तो तुझसे ही करवाएंगे, because we liked your energy, we liked how passionate and how much you are into this, and we wanted कि हम तुमसे ही करवाएं. So I would say the otherwise, that being a female artist has worked in my favor.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Madhab, when I was reading and researching for this podcast, then I went across a few things where people had said कि men are favored. तो फिर that is why I wanted to ask कि is it actually true? Because even in my profession, being a female doctor, gynecologist, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको चाहिए कि female doctor उनको देखे, वहाँ भी
True.
there are situations where people would want my husband to treat them because we are both gynecs. So they would prefer a male over a female. There have been situations. So I was very interested to know okay, if you have faced that. So I want to ask you about street art. अभी स्ट्रीट आर्ट का क्या है कि बर्लिन, न्यूयॉर्क, बहुत सारे जगहों में, बहुत सारे मूवीज में भी हमने देखा है कि वो लेते हैं ऐसे रैटल वाला स्प्रे पेंट से फिर वो पेंट कर देते हैं. एंड देयर इज अ वेरी फाइन लाइन बिटवीन स्ट्रीट आर्ट एंड वैंडलिज्म. तो व्हाट आर योर टेक्स ऑन इट कि अगर किसी ने आके सपोज एक दीवार पर कुछ पॉलिटिकली चार्ज्ड कुछ बना दिया, सो do you think it should be removed, or what do you think?
Okay, so first I think street art is a very, very good and powerful source to communicate your message without using any words.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So मुझे I am very for street art, but having said that, I truly believe that you should have all the permits and permission. अगर आप गवर्नमेंट वॉल पे कर रहे हो तो जो लोकल जो भी अथॉरिटीज है उससे परमिशन ले लो, और इफ यू आर डूइंग किसी के बंगले के बाहर की वॉल और स्कूल के बाहर की वॉल, टेक परमिशन ऑफ दैट प्राइवेट वॉल एज वेल. फर्स्ट दैट पर्सन शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विथ यू डूइंग दैट आर्ट, एंड सेकेंडली see, I believe like I said, I try to look optimistic things and be positive in life. So I think art should be something which gives you peace, which gives you a sense of calm, which invokes something in you that makes you think towards something good, something better, which changes your perspective in positive way. So I'm a big promoter and a big cheerleader of positivity. So if your art has something really positive in it, please go ahead, please do it. But if it is, if it is hateful, and if it is causing pain or hurt to somebody else, why to do that? क्यों करना है? क्या मिलेगा तुमको? मत करो.
If a person has very strong emotions about something, say caste system, okay, caste related discrimination, तो उसने जाके कुछ पेंट कर दिया, so that person is just trying to showcase कि उनके मन में क्या चल रहा है. तो is it wrong? क्या उसको हमको मिटाना चाहिए, or should we let it be there as a symbol of free speech?
I think we are taking this speech very seriously, and people are doing anything and everything in the name
of free
Yeah.
speech. Oh God.
So, I think if he has permission, if he or she has permission of doing it, it's okay. And if people around it are okay with it, then it's okay. And if not, then go ahead and erase it and hire him to make something positive.
That's a good approach.
Yeah.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि फ्री स्पीच का ये मतलब नहीं है कि मतलब along with having fundamental rights of free speech, you also have certain fundamental duties
Exactly.
towards yourself, towards the society, towards the government.
Exactly. And there is always a positive approach. I see world in grays, shades of grays, but certain things are black and white. Terrorism, then there's rape, there's human trafficking. Even that is considered black. But even if you want to support that and showcase an art supporting by that I mean
Yes.
कि
उसके खिलाफ
against
आवाज
आपको
उठाने के लिए.
आवाज- हाँ, अगर आपको उसके खिलाफ भी आवाज उठानी है, there are positive things which you can paint. Approach तुम positive रखो ना. And बाकी caste was, I don't think so. People should be using free speech excuse to take this caste system, which is a very gray area, to make something violent. You should not do that.
There was this news report some time back कि दिल्ली में एक आर्ट गैलरी में M.F. हुसैन के पेंटिंग्स थे. So there was a lawyer who went there. She took their pictures and then she requested कि आप इनको हटा दो यहाँ से, and then she put it on social media कि they go against my beliefs. तो उसने बोला कि इनको सीज कर लो. Then there was a court order which said कि नहीं, हम वहाँ पर FIR उन लोगों के against that art gallery, we are not going to register an FIR. So censorship, it has come into picture for a long time now. So what is your take on censoring certain pieces?
Talking about M.S. Hussain, I really respect him as an artist, and he has contributed a lot in Indian art scene. We cannot foresee his contribution to Indian art scene. But having said that, I do strongly believe there is a positive approach. If I don't like what he did with Hindu deities, I'm not in support of that. So, but he did face consequences of that.
वो self exile में चला गया.
चला गया था. हाँ, वो सब हुआ था. He was banned from India. उसका अस्थि भी नहीं आया था. मतलब वो सब भी हुआ था back in 2011 when he died. But right now, I think you should not. मेरे को I genuinely believe जो touchy topics है, you should not engage in those.
Okay.
So
There are a lot of people who feel otherwise कि being an artist तुम्हारा काम है to force attention of people to those issues. ऐसा भी होता है. अब so Delhi had this India Art Fair in 2025 February it happened.
election.
तो उस टाइम पर दिल्ली इलेक्शंस आने वाले थे, तो बहुत गर्मा गर्मी थी माहौल की. And do you know about that Shaheen Bagh thing that happened? है ना. तो जब वो CA वाला हुआ था, शाहीन बाग वाला, उस टाइम पर देयर वर सर्टन आर्टिस्ट्स जिन्होंने दिल्ली फेयर में ऐसे आर्ट पीसेस रखे थे विच वर सीज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. तो इस बार वैसा ना हो, ऐसा कुछ उन लोग का था. तो डर था लोगों को कि इस बार क्या होने वाला है व्हेन इलेक्शंस आर देयर. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ आर्ट पीसेस आई थिंक वर they were showing the pro-nationalism things in them. So, have you ever made a piece which is politically charged? Or do you plan to कि कभी ऐसा आपको कुछ बनाना है, like pro-government, anti-government, anything you want to put your toe into?
Firstly, I think the people who go into this political art scene, either they come from a privileged background,
Okay.
that they do not care about the consequences. तुम्हारा रोज ही उससे इफेक्ट होगा. मैं बहुत छोटी आर्टिस्ट हूँ and I would never ever put my toes in that scene because I respect whatever is happening. I have my political opinions. That is for my home and my dining table and for my friends, max. Other than that, I do not want to give my political opinion to anybody and I do not even want to showcase it through my art because I'm a very small person and once if it gets exhilarated, it can catch fire like wildfire. And I do not want to बहुत छोटी हूँ मैं to create such big, to tip into that big scene. And I do not want my daily life to be affected by that.
Okay. So you think कि अगर if you have some opinion, some political opinion, say, or for any other fact of matter, जैसे climate change हो गया, तो as an artist, what should be the responsibility that you have? कि उसको हमें positively ही depict करना ना.
Positively उसको depict करना. Street art is a very good medium to showcase your concern and to contribute to the society.
Any particular topic or any idea about this कि जितने भी सोशल चीज़ें हमारे लाइफ में होती हैं, ऐसे फीमेल ऑपरेशन हो गया, कास्ट सिस्टम हो गया, पॉलिटिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हो गए, सो एनीथिंग, फीमेल फीटिसाइड हो गया, एनीथिंग दैट इज़ क्लोज टू योर हार्ट कि अगर आपको कोई कहे कि आई वॉन्ट यू टू मेक समथिंग विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यू, तो आप किस चीज़ पर व्हाट विल यू पेंट?
I strongly feel about mental health awareness these days. And I strongly believe that post-COVID, humans have, their patience level have decreased.
Yeah.
And सब झगड़ने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं बिन बात के. एंड छोटी सी चीज़ का आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन चली जाती है चीज़ है. I strongly believe it is because you do not have your mental health in check. So if I ever get an opportunity, I would like to work towards helping or mental health awareness, anything regarding that.
Okay. So some piece, some drawing or okay.
Giving
That's good.
stuff.
Or one more thing which art is focusing into is the pride movement.
Right.
है ना? तो उसमें भी I think you know, if you belong to the LGBTQ society and you're an artist, I think then you can do a lot. उस चीज़ में भी.
A lot of things, yes.
Yeah. So you might have heard about the Ranbir Alabadia thing, right? उसने थोड़ा सा obscene बोला था on a social platform. So I think it was not called for. It should not have been said. और हमारी जो सोशल मीडिया है इट इज़ वेरी वॉलेटाइल. आप कुछ भी एक चीज़ भी बोलते हो, अभी इवन वी आर टॉकिंग, हो सकता है इसमें से भी किसी को कोई चीज़ अच्छी ना लगे, वो पकड़ के उसको वायरल कर दे. मतलब इतने बड़े बड़े मेरे होप्स नहीं है कि वायरल कुछ होगा, बट इट इज़ दैट वॉलेटाइल. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया ऑन एन आर्टिस्ट? लाइक आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट, उसका नाम है पावनी नागपाल.
Okay.
And she has 77,000 followers
Okay.
on Instagram. और वो ऐसे फीमेल सेंट्रिक आर्ट बनाती है. मतलब वॉट एवर पीसेस आई हैव सीन ऑफ हर, उसमें आईज नहीं होते हैं, बट देयर हाँ वो पैव आर्ट्स करके उसका पेज है. सो शी हैज सो मेनी फॉलोअर्स So, what do you think is the effect of social media on artists?
Sure.
Is it helping them, or what is it?
I think because of this reel and viral and stuff, it has helped a great deal to artists. So many artists have gone viral. So many things have gone viral. Because of that, they have a living today. So I think social media has helped 80% help and 20% again not मतलब वही जो रणवीर इलाहाबादिया का हुआ that is उसका भी पूरा career is made on social media.
Yeah.
Now one एक backlash आ गया but he cannot blame social media for it. His entire career is on social media, is based on social media. So it has helped profoundly. And
आप किसी भी सेंटेंस को सोशल मीडिया पे मिस इंटरप्रेट भी कर सकते हैं.
they misinterpret. Yes, that is true. That is true.
इवन उसका भी व्हाट आई हर्ड वाज के उसने बाद में ही अपोलोजाइज्ड टू दैट पर्सन और ऐसे, बट
बहुत out of proportion चला गया वो चीज.
हाँ.
बहुत ज्यादा ही. It was not that big of a deal. It was.
Yeah.
It was not that big of a deal कि police case.
उसमें हाँ
ये वो.
आप और चीजों पे करो ना.
और कितनी और India has huge issues.
Yeah.
Huge issues. You should focus on that.
उस पे फोकस
That's it.
करो.
Exactly.
So, have you ever been trolled on social media?
Luckily, I have.
That's great.
Yeah.
Not have I, but maybe not being very famous is also an advantage. तो आपको लोग ज्यादा ट्रोल नहीं करते हैं.
इतने जानते ही नहीं कि ट्रोल कर
हाँ.
सके.
एक बार मेरे साथ हुआ था. आई डोंट नो, आई हैड मेड अ वीडियो. मैंने एक PCOS वाला एक वीडियो डाला था, तो उस पर somebody had commented कि तेरा वजन तो कम कर ले, ऐसा. And I was postpartum. तो मैंने तो मतलब एकदम मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या हो गया, तो मैंने ना वो डिलीट कर दिया कमेंट. बट आई टुक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड आई सेंट इट टू माय हस्बैंड. तो वो बोला कि अरे पागल तूने डिलीट क्यों किया. उसमें मैं जवाब देता ना, उसमें लोग जवाब देते.
आपका साइड वो लोग लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Exactly.
तो बट आई फेल्ट वेरी, इट शुक मी कि ओ गॉड इसका ओपिनियन किसने मांगा.
हाँ भाई.
तो ऐसे भी फालतू.
नेगेटिव क्यों बोल रहा है यार.
हाँ तो
Positive
कुछ
मत बोलो.
या तो नहीं बोलो.
कुछ मत बोलो.
हाँ.
बोलो तो पॉजिटिव बोलो. कुछ है बोलने को तो पॉजिटिव, वरना मत बोलो.
हाँ.
नहीं तक रखो अपना ओपिनियन.
हाँ नहीं तो दोस्तों के साथ क्या बात करोगे. दोस्तों के साथ पीछे कर लो.
Exactly.
So if an artist is trolled on say Instagram, so what would you say that person should do?
That person, what should that person do? First, do not engage with that troll. वो खाली बात से ज़्यादा बढ़
जाएगी.
So do not engage, and again focus on your why. Why did you start creating art? What is your purpose? Concentrate on that. अगर एक hate comment है, you have 10 positive comments. Concentrate on them rather than giving that one person attention. All that one person wants is attention. So वो मत दो तुम. उसको उसी से deprive कर लो and give attention to that rest 9 people or 10 people who has commented positive things about you.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है ना that social media is everything.
Exactly, it is not.
तो it cannot make or break you.
हाँ, it might affect you for a minute or two, but more than that, I don't think so. It should matter to you.
So I think we can end on this note.
Yeah.
Okay, do what you want to. One message that you have for all the women out there who want to work. So this podcast is for women entrepreneurs or who want to grow, who are growing up, who have taken stance and their work into stride. So any message that you have for them?
I would like to say that women are born multitaskers. Don't let the world make you believe otherwise. Please. So you can manage your household chores. You can handle your kids with your passion, with your love, and being independent, no matter how rich your husband is, no matter how rich of a household you belong to. Earning your own money gives a lot of peace, satisfaction, and joy.
Yeah.
True, utter joy. Enjoy it and don't deprive yourself of that satisfaction. Having said that, if you like being in home and doing that, support your family, that's great as well. But once, I would request everyone to once taste that कि एक बार पैसा कमा के देखो. It is such liberating and freedom giving experience. You'll love it. And once you have tasted that, people around you respect you as well. And I would like to tell them to work and balance. Balance is the key.
Amazing. Chalo, thank you so much for coming. It was amazing talking to you.
Yeah. I want to say one more thing. The initiative you are doing is great. I follow you on Instagram and I have seen those reels of Daman small vendors, female vendors, and I have seen the impact you guys are creating. That is a great initiative and I congratulate. And also a lot of luck towards your side to keep continuing this good work.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.